Take a ride in the 2021 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.